When it comes to customer satisfaction, one scooter consistently rises to the top. The Revo 2.0 four-wheel scooter by Pride Mobility. In today's video, we're diving into why this mid-size mobility scooter continues to earn rave reviews from real users just like you. Built with Pride Mobility's rugged reliability, the Revo 2.0 offers the perfect balance between compact design and heavy-duty performance. It's no surprise this scooter gets high marks with Comfort-Trac Suspension on both front and rear wheels. Every ride feels smooth, even on rougher paths. Need portability? The Revo 2.0 disassembles quickly and easily, making it perfect for transport in the trunk of your car. Customers also love the dual under-seat storage compartments, ideal for personal items or light shopping. With a user-friendly tiller, adjustable armrests, and a USB charging port, it's comfort and convenience all in one. The Revo 2.0 isn't just a scooter, it's a trusted companion in your day-to-day mobility. No wonder it ranks among the highest in customer satisfaction. Ready to test ride the Revo 2.0 for yourself? Contact us today or visit us at AutoMobilityStore.com.